Okay, somebody was asking just how do you get in and out of the back of a Santa Fe. This is going to be the quickest video ever because it's real simple. So if you have a look in a Santa Fe, just actually to give you a quick idea beforehand, right? What used to happen was there was a bar here, so you like have in the front of the car normally, you have a bar that slides the seat forward. So I'd move the seat forward, and the second thing you did then was you grabbed that handle and it moved forward and you accessed and got in through there. Right, grand, straightforward. A lot of cars still do that, but there's a better way now in the new model. So with the new model, what you can do is there's a button over here which is basically up on the top of the rear seat. Okay, so just watching what's happening there. One finger. How easy was that? Simple, simple, simple. And then just to give you an idea, what happens is you're going to get in through this area along here. So I'm going to put my foot up through there and transfer, and then now I am into the back of the car. And then I just grab the seat, pull it back into place, and then depending who's in front of me I can let it back or whatever way it suits. Right, I'm 6 foot, it's not for 6 foot people, right? It is doable, but you know, you are a little bit cramped, but that's the whole idea. If you, kids sometimes what they'll do is also they'll drop these seats here, and if they've only one seat up they'll jump in from the back, but anyway, that gives you an idea. Basically, this wee button here, if I want to get out, I'm pressing that button, it slid forward, and then jumping out through there. It's not glamorous, not elegant, but it's functional, so that's how it works.